Hey, hello, my name is Sridhar Samson. My register number is URK20CS1038. In this video, I am going to discuss about an automation testing on web pages using Selenium. The objective of this experiment is to perform the automation testing on a web page using Selenium framework on different browsers using Java, Python, or C. Description. Web page is to be successfully tested using different browsers using Selenium framework. A web page multiply from fields, text box, radio button, drop down buttons, hyperlink is increased and uploaded into the web server ISS or Apache. The content and from the fields in the web pages is individually checked. Also, the client-side validation performed using JavaScript is also be evaluated. The evaluation is to be carried out by the developing various test cases for every individual web component. To this end, and then executive software testing framework is required. Selenium is a free open source automation and testing framework that supports C, Java, PHP, or Python and Ruby. Selenium WebDriver provides the functionality of conducting various test cases. And then procedure server side load the designed web page to be tested in the server ISS server or Apache server. And client side download all the necessary Selenium packages based on the host machine requirements, Windows, Mac, Linux, or etc. Then download the corresponding browsers, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, web drivers to integrate at the IDE and the browser. Using the IDE, Eclipse, Jupyter, create a Java or Python program, import all the required Selenium packages in the Java program using set properties, provide the name and the location of the browser's web drivers, and a WebDriver class instance of the browsers is created and it's used to access the web pages. The methods navigate to URL launches and the website in the test browsers. The source code is the test browsers. Every component in the web page is accessed by the method find elements and specify entities using the following: find the elements by id identifier value, find elements by name id, elements by link text, elements by class name. Values are passed and using the method send key. Inner HTML values are obtained using the method get text. Values from the forms are obtained using the method get attribute value. Browser events such as click, clear, back, forward, refresh, and close are performed using the methods click, clear, back, forward, refresh, quite respectively. Also, move between windows and frames are performed using the method switch to Windows name and switch to frame name. JavaScript method is innovated by the method executive script of the class JavaScript executor. Source code. This is the source code for the Chrome web browser, which is used in the Eclipse, and the output for the Chrome browser is an online banking for the Chrome browser is this. And once I run the value for this by execute and done the program, means the test cases are checking and the test cases are whether it is success or not. And then next, the Opera browser, the Opera, and the second one is the browser used by an Opera. The coding for that Selenium package is the source code for that Opera Java source code. And then here I have, once I run the source code, the first online banking solution, it will show this and the Opera, and then it will show and it's execute in the Java program in Eclipse. It shows the test cases whether it has been successfully or not. Finally, a web page was tested in the Chrome and Opera browsers, creating various test cases using Java and Selenium framework. Now I may execute and show my framework. Here, this is the sample Java code. I may execute and show this. It will show the web page once and it will test, and then the testings are whether it is the testings are successfully executed or not. It will show the test case 1 content checking test outcome online banking solution, desired outcome online banking solution, test summary test case 1 status success, test case 2 checking for null elements giving input for text box name, desired outcome name field can be empty, summary test case 2 status success, test case 3 give the input for text box name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0 0 0, test outcome first name can't be more than 10 characters, desired outcomes first name can be more than 10 characters, summary test case 2 status is success. And then finally it will show the output like this. And then next, this is the coding for that. And then next I will show the sample one. Once I execute and show this, it is an Opera. Sample 1 is for Opera browser and sample is for Chrome browser. It is an Opera browser. It will check and show the outputs like this, the test 1, test 2 and test 3 characters, and it will show like this. Finally, the output of the test cases are successfully executed, and the output is coming. And then thank you for watching this video. Finally, I may conclude with a web page was tested in the Chrome and Opera browsers by creating various test cases using Java and Selenium framework is successful. Thank you for watching this video.